Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a Vaclife handheld vacuum, and this is one of the cordless, mini vacuum cleaners, and this one is designed for wet or dry vacuuming, so let's unbox it, see what it looks like. My lovely assistant here, unseal this. Get this here. Right. A lot of air pockets in here. Alright, let's get this guy out of here. You go on the floor. Here it is. This is the box. The Vaclife. This is the front of it. The back. Alright, now let's unseal it here. Got a little seal right here. We'll get that out of our way. Alright, let's get this. Got a little card here. Giveaway from Vaclife. Nothing important. There we go. These are one of the tubes that come with it, the extension. This is the design of that tube here. And you get your guide here. Quick start guide has the warranty information on the back and all your other instruction manuals. Then you have another adapter. This is the brush. This out here. This is the brush connection right here. There's another adapter. This is a third adapter so far. There's another one. This is number 4. It's the fourth adapter. And this is for wet vacuuming. Did a rubber seal around it. Yeah. And here is your power cable for charging it. That foam off here. Oh, and a little cleaning brush. Clean out your vacuum here. Yep. Now let's get to the main event. Get all this plastic off here. And here it is. Vacuum of the hour. You guys can see the rear and the back here. Okay. And you guys can see the rain controls up here in the front. Has a little, I have to take this little piece of tape off here. And here's the disconnect for the filter. This is where the filter is inside here. Pull the filter out. You guys can see. Try to get this angled here. You guys can see the little filter inside there. But it also comes out. It's just a twist on. Connects in there real quick. I kind of don't like the design of this, but it holds it on okay. I think it could be better, but it fits in there perfectly. And I don't know if you guys can even see this, but there's a little LED light right here, right under there. Let me take this. There's a little tape on the switch here. Let me see if I can take that off real quick. See, the tape has this little protector on the switch here. Take that off. You guys can see that. Now the switch is free. And you guys can see the little LED comes off when I press the button right there. On and off. And here's the main switch here. You guys can hear that. I think it has pretty good suction to it. It's pretty powerful. Let's see. The suction is pretty strong. What I bought this for is to use basically to clean the car with. It's gonna be for cleaning the car, so I, you know, didn't expect the strength. The strength is pretty good. It has really strong vacuum. You guys can see. So basically, I'm gonna use it to clean my car. It's gonna be for my car, so I don't need it to be any more powerful than that. So, you know, if you guys are looking for something to clean your car with, cordless, mini vacuum, you know, handheld, wet or dry, this is the perfect one for you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope it was helpful, informative, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.